for this meeting. Well, this is the key. This is what we have done before with the Bahasa webinar. Zombie zone. What's this? There are two things that you have to be aware of the zombie zone. The first one, what's that? Second touch. Touch. Yes. And number two is crossing. Oops. Okay. Okay. When you are looking at the candle like this, it's going up and then down and then up again and then down again, then up again and then down again. Basically, most of people will think, or our brain will think that the candle will always doing like this forever, for 1 year, for 2 years, for 3 years, something like that. That's our brain works. But it's not always like this. The point number one, remember the second touch. This one can be predicted by M38 at level 8. Well, we are not talking about this one. Now, we are only talking about this one, the second touch. It highly probability will going to reverse. And the third one. Okay. Well, actually, this is for level 4. I cannot say so many. Anyway, it's okay. Marian in level 2, but well, someday you will join the level 4. Bazinger.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, it's easy. It's okay. As long as you are focused with your trading, no problem. This is the second touch. It's highly potential to reverse. And the third. But forget about the rest. Okay? Forget about the rest. Well, sometimes, yes, it's working 4, 5, 6, 7, or 10. But forget about that. That's too risky. Now, the zombie zone. Where are they? When they cross, look at this, crossing. When it's going up, and then started to going down, we can use this one, this line. Please remember the zombie zone. This is the area that what we call as a zombie zone. So we have to be aware, because why it's a zombie zone? Because it's going up, but there is strong power crossing this line. It means sellers back with the big power, and there is a big power of buyer also here. Sometimes they will going like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. So we call it the area of these candles is a zombie zone. Please do not trade on this zombie zone. We better wait after this candle crossing the line here and the line here, even going up or going down, and then start going down, and we can trade for the rest.
May I say something?
Yes, please.
I've been last year, I think, I've been watching something about this kind of zone, like a zombie zone. I think it was called differently, mainly in forex. And some professional traders advised us not to trade the first breakout. Meaning, if there is a breakout of the zombie zone, don't trade the first breakout because
Yes.
it might come back.
Yes. I already said that before. Uh, do you remember this one?
Yes, sure.
Oh, sorry. Where are they going?
Probably down.
Hmm.
Back to the line.
Correct answer is we don't know.
Right.
Don't guess too fast, or you will lose your money. Yes,
I understand.
but the most common reaction of the candle, the seller will bring to the price of this SNR line. If it the price, if it the seller is quite strong, it will cross again the line, and the buyer also will push to the line. If it's strong enough, it will cross. If it's not, it will going down and try to going up, then going down, and then up again try, but cannot. The buyer cannot touch this line, and then they will bring back down.
That means this become ranging.
This area is ranging, and after that they will
Yeah.
continue the journey. Okay, back to zombie. Yes, this is the ranging. Ranging means the power between buyer and seller equally the same. So when it crossed the line that we one what that I will show you with the chart later. They cross this line. We better not trading for this candle because the buyer is strong enough to go up. Sellers look like strong because they already crossed the line, and it means the buyer and seller both are have the same power. So it will create a zombie zone. Zombie zones means green red, green red. It's a highly complicated candle, and we cannot predict as easy with the trending. So we can create the line here and here, so we will know where is the area that we have to avoid. This is the area that we have to avoid. When they already cross this one and wait until the candles, uh, what is, I don't know in English. What is rapi? Rapi means, well, they have a good formation. Let's say, like this, it's red. It's look like and red, and then become green, and then red, and then something like that. It's not red, green, red, green, red, green like that. We better
So,
avoid this one. Yes, please.
so when we feel the downtrend is getting stronger, right?
When you sorry,
When we feel that the downtrend is getting stronger after the breakout.
yes. When
I
you trade
understand, yes.
when you trade with SS7, it's highly potential. It will work very good since the SS7 the requirement for SS7 is after breakout. Okay, let's see with the chart. Any other new members here? Uh, Ragit and Joseph Ashraf still struggling, mostly still struggling to join. Right. Let me find. Let's see this one.
I'm here.
Ah, how long you been joined? So you got the info, Asraf?
Yes. Yes, I got it.
You got this one?
That's yes.
Okay, good. So everyone there, right? Um, let's say like this. This is the simple one. We can create the this is line. Oh no, one. Please to take us. Okay. Yeah. Look at this. It tried to going down, and then big candle approaching here. It's so thick. Yeah, big candle, and then red candle, and this red candle is crossing this line. We better stop. We can create line here. We can create line here. We better stop. Waiting until we can see the very good formation of the candle. When it cross, look at this. It look like crossing up and then going down. Um, well, the member here is too fairy because actually this is only for level 4, but it's okay. It's difficult to explain about envy here. All right, it's okay. When it's cross, yes, we can find the SS after this. Okay, and also we can create the line also here or with the candle maybe. Oh, as long as they already cross, then stop. Don't trade and create the line in here and here. Create the line in here and here. Then avoid to trade with this one, and then check after this. Look at the reaction of this one. Then cross, and this candle. This is for member not in level 4. This is the difference between the MV trader and SNR trader. Most of
Just tell me the last candle, what you have mentioned before, that red candle. It crossed the previous support,
sorry,
previous
who is
resistance
it?
for the candle. Javed here.
Oh, Javed. Okay, yes, please.
Yeah. I'm asking this that you mentioned before, the red candle which has tail down there.
Mhm.
It crossed the previous resistance and it should go the down, but it reversed from here. Why is that?
Which one refers?
Uh, this one, red one, where
Here, here.
you circle
Oh,
the
this one.
candle. Not here.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
this one.
one. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's already crossed this line, right? The zombie area. Since we have to be aware that this is the zombie area, means there is the power of. Okay, Bilal just joined here. I will re-explain about this one. Look at this. Back to this one. When we see the candle like this formation, and then it cross the line of slopey line, we better stop trading after this crossing this line. Why? Because the power is going up is quite strong, and the sellers indicate has a strong power also to going down. So big power of seller and buyer will create a confusing candle. Some traders said
Okay.
that this is the consolidation area. Well, consolidation confusing, or then we can create the line here and here just to guard them. After they cross the line, and we wait. We wait until we can see the good candle for SS. After that, we can trade with SS. But don't trade SS in here.
Okay.
Okay, it's highly dangerous. Okay, back to the question of Javed. Yes, this is the difference between us and SNR trader. Most of trader with SNR will keep put on this after this candle, but we are with MV
Yeah,
no. Yes, because
I
it's
will definitely
yes
this candle.
because it's quite big, but with
No,
MV
that's not the it's a big, but it crossed the previous resistance. Therefore, I will go for same direction.
yes yes, but when we know MV, ah, we are not trading for put here, but call. Sorry, actually, this zombie is not only for level 4, but it's okay, no problem. Um, it's quite
That's
hard
fine.
to it's quite hard for me to explain more detail about that. But at least now you can avoid to trade in the zombie area. This is the zombie. When it cross, let me find another example here. Oh, but this is good. You're lucky here. This is good, good, good. Let me find another example. Wait. Mm, it's easy example. The most important for this webinar is you have to understand the logic. So it's really simple. Let's say like this, you can create this slopy line here. Yeah. When it cross already with this candle, wait, with this green candle, and then red candle appears, don't think that it will going down. No, just create the line here. Where are they? Oh, here. And wait. Oops. And wait until they cross this line or this line. Look at this. When you are in a oh no, this is it's still dangerous. Just cross with one candle and then going up green green green. Well, you better change your pairs rather than you get stuck with this candle. Okay, you got my point, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question, please?
No question for now.
Okay, no question. Okay, well then enough then. If there is no question, no more question. Well, let's find. Okay, let's start. Okay,
Another,
yes, please, Sanjay.
uh, can you choose another screenshot and also give example?
Okay, let me find another pairs. Or we can trade with life, for example. Let's create this trend line. Okay, it's already crossed. We better wait because it's look like going up here. Oh no, not that one. Not that one. With this one. Okay, we better wait for that one. But this look like good. Then we can trade with SS in here. The power of going down here for seller is quite big, and then big buyer also appears up, and then creating red, 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 red. As long as they have good formation, you can trade with SS over there. This one is not good. This one is not good. So when we create the line here, and when they already cross it, and then we better wait until.
Just tell me one thing.
Yes, please.
Where you draw a line,
Yes.
there is a uptrend market. Okay.
Uptrend. Yes.
I don't understand uptrend most of the time. When I start to invest with MSNR, so most of the time, the MSNR has been crossed by has crossed with next candle, and I lose. So how to understand with trendy market?
Okay. Trending market. Have you seen the video of webinar? So look at this. It's going up, right? Where are they going?
This one is going uptrend.
Yes. This one is going up, but big boy, where are they going?
Down.
Yes. Remember, 1 plus 1. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. When you trade in here, when if it's this trend is going down, big boy, this one, when it's going down, it's quite dangerous. When you trade with the MSNR, you better find uh, the same direction of this big boy. But in ranging, yes, MSNR is quite powerful. Sorry, this is about the MSNR. MSNR working in 15 minutes, but sometimes it's only working in 30 minutes.
Okay, uh, after ranging market, the trending market will come. So if you are going with MSNR with ranging and the trending market suddenly come and you still going with MSNR, that means you will lose everything what you have. So how to understand with that it comes that it that the trending market has start from here now.
How to understand the trending market start from here now? No, you have to think about this one first. Where are they going? The big boy. The big boy, where are they going? Like this? It's going down, right? So we got 1 point here. We got 1 point here. And then we only trade for the downtrend, from the down, for the down, for the down, not for up, not for up. No, for this one. Only for the downtrend. We better follow the direction of the big boy, the big trend. As simple
Okay,
as that.
big boy represents downtrend.
Yes, this big boy is down, right? Look at this, it's going down. So, and then we can only, when it's going up, take some rest or change the pairs. It's very dangerous. But Later you will understand. You will know how to trade with all this kind of trend up. Even though it's going up, we can trade for down. Yes, but later. But for now, for your safety, we better trade along with the big trend. That's my advice.
Okay.
Ah, look at this. It's still dangerous. We can create and then we wait until this candle crossing this line and then trade with SS. It's most the safety direction is going down because the big trend is going down. You better follow the big trend. Uh, any other question? And when we have to wait this candle actually. Who are join? Asref gone again.
I have a question.
Yes, David.
Uh, I was analyzing the previous candle where you draw a line,
Hmm.
horizontal line.
Yes.
You see there is a big green candle, and after green candle, the three red candle has appeared,
Hmm.
and after that the green candle appears. But
Yes.
the green after this green candle, the red candle has appeared, which is the small candle,
Hmm.
and under uh, close the under previous candle.
Hmm.
Okay, so why the third candle goes in the same direction,
This one.
and I
Mm.
can't see your cursor right now.
This one.
Uh, no, 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 no.
Cross.
See here, where is a big green candle? Where you use a horizontal line from
Yes, I know. It's going
highest
up,
resistance.
and then three candles appears, and then green, and then
Green
red,
candle has
and then
appeared.
green. And you said
After that,
why these candles going with the same direction? This question.
yes, yes. That is the question what I'm asking
Yeah.
for.
The simple question. The simple answer is S S Y A. That's the simple question. You know, all SS is the most common reaction of the candle. SSIA working in the
Not
uh,
this one. No, 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 not this one. I
this
know that
one.
there is a SSY,
Okay,
but I am talking about the previous. Uh,
previous this one,
just see the highest resistance of this chart.
this one.
Go back to
Okay,
Check
the
the
platform.
timeline.
sorry. Do
Station.
you are you using computer?
No, I'm using this, but in your chart. But see here, the candle is just go back and just see starting from the starting. There is a green candle, again green candle, green candle, green candle, green candle. Then
Here.
appears a red candle,
Okay,
and
this one.
then it yeah, yeah. You
Okay.
see here is a SS1. Okay, I understand this is the SS1. This is the right profile SS1,
Mhm.
and you see the green candle, which is the biggest candle, and you see the
This one
three red candle and and the green candle.
and this one and
Yes,
then
yes.
green again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you go down from this level, and you will see, yeah, yeah, yeah. This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's your question?
The question was that green candle is the after three candles, the green candle has appeared, and the after green candle, the red candle has appeared.
After this big green candle, sorry, your voice is gone. It's become smaller. Can you repeat it, please? The question?
Yeah. So the
Ah,
question is, after the three red candle,
uh-huh,
the red candle has appeared.
uh-huh,
Okay. The red candle, after green candle, the red candle appears, which is the smallest candle of the previous candle.
uh-huh.
So why the third candle goes in a same direction, and why isn't reverse from this level?
This green candle, the small green candle.
Yeah, yeah. The green candle appears and the red candle appears. I am talking about the red candle. Uh, if you see the green candle create a wick which is touch the previous uh, which is touch the previous SNR,
Okay,
and
okay,
the
okay.
third candle.
Sanjay, can you got the question?
No, sir, clearly not. He is talking about
Sorry,
the small green
maybe my English
and
is very bad.
uh,
Um, let
Don, can you tell me in Hindi?
ah, that's
हाँ
better.
भाई, मैं बस ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो ये हरी कैंडल है जो यहाँ पर आई है, ओके,
हाँ
तो हरी कैंडल के बाद जो लाल कैंडल आई है वो
हाँ
उससे छोटी है,
हाँ
तो ये एसएस तो है नहीं,
हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक है। तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ से जो ये जो तीसरी कैंडल रेड कैंडल के बाद जो एक और कैंडल आई है वो सेम डायरेक्शन में क्यों गई है, यहाँ से रिवर्स क्यों नहीं आई?
हाँ ओके, एक मिनट, 1 मिनट में बताता हूँ सर को। सर, हेलो, हाँ सर, तुम सर,
Mhm. Yes, yes,
हेलो,
yes, yes,
हाँ
yes.
सर, he is saying that after the green candle, red candle appear,
Wait,
then
wait.
next
One by one. This is the green candle, right?
small green candle, that is inserted candle.
Yes, this one is inserted candle and then become SS1.
Here, after three red candles.
Oh, this one, yes. And then
No, after three red.
wait,
Yes.
wait. There is a lag between. I will.
Actually, the internet
I
connected, so
will.
therefore we are not properly getting your signal.
It's okay.
He's saying that after small green candle, red candle appear.
After wait. After this one, two, three, and then appears the green one.
Green.
Yes.
Uh,
And what
After
is?
that, the red candle appear with very small body.
Mhm.
Then why he continue to next red candle?
Okay.
Why not green candle?
Why not going up?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was
After
the
the
question
that
I was
candle.
asking.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I understand. Um, there are two answers. One is a silly answer. It's up to the market. And that's a silly answer. But we are here um, as a logic trader. Wait, Javed, do you know the three kinds
Yes,
of
yes.
SNR? What is that? What are they? Three kind of SNRs. Hello, are you there?
Who, Javed?
Can I say, sir?
It's gone. Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe he has internet problem. Well, we are
May
waiting.
I answer?
Yes, please.
So it's a bouncing line, the first type of SNR,
Okay.
the stacked candles,
Okay.
and the one we
Hello?
have here,
Yeah.
the solitary candle, the lonely candle.
Yes. Yes. This one. It's lonely candle. Great, Marianne. That's to avoid too many traders confused about SNR. This
Stop candle, insert candle, bouncing line. There is a three type of SNR.
Javed, you're back. That's great. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is an SNR. So this is the logic of what we have to think. This is this area, and this area can be an SNR.
Okay.
Okay, but because we don't know, SNR is not a line. We can see from the reaction of the candle. When you see this candle, it look like it's going down here and then trying to
Mm-hmm.
going down again and then touch this area. It means someone sitting here knocking up, boom, to here, and then the power of these three candle means sellers trying to bring
Mm-hmm.
it down, but it stopped in here. So when you ask me why are they going down, look at this, boom, boom, boom. Where are they going? Down, right?
Yeah.
Let me. Okay, I will give you. Well, it's actually this is one of the. Well, it's okay. This is one of the material for CR7, you know. Hmm. Anyway, I give you a hint here. It's trying to going down, it's trying to going down, and then it's up in here, and then down in here, and then up little bit, and then down, and then up, and then down. Where are they going?
Down.
Yes, enough.
We don't know.
No, no, no. It's down. That's right. It's down. Because
Okay,
like
understand.
this. Yes, you got my point, right? That's enough for
Yes,
now.
yes.
That's in level 7. Wait, not now.
Level 7.
Hey, quit laughing on level 2.
Well, it's okay. Hmm, too much jumping.
We don't mind if you explain level 7 a little bit.
You don't mind, but it's not good for you, you know.
Okay.
I just finished a webinar with the Bahasa group. Someone from level
Okay.
zero, they got profit many dollar, and then
Yeah, you
uh,
were telling
yes,
yesterday.
he
Yeah.
joined to level one. So many knowledge inside his brain, and he got confused, and then lost and lost and lost, and then finally back start one by one, SS1 and
Okay.
2
The
only.
biggest
Yeah.
I trade every single candle. I analyze and I trade every single candle. I don't want to leave any candle behind. I just trade and trade and trade.
Hmm.
But I know that's not the right way to trade on market. But when I was practicing, so I analyze every single candle and I enjoy the when the trending market comes. Uh, because it's time to challenge yourself. You know, when the
Yes.
trend market comes, you have no idea when trend market comes and how it reacts. How it reacts. It might be again ranging or trending. So
Yes.
this time you are challenging yourself that you can make money or you can lose money. So
Yes. Um, the only problem, this one.
yeah,
When when you trade with demo, your focus is this one. When you trade
yeah,
with the real account,
with
your
real.
focus with this one. You forget about all knowledge in this candle. You only focus for this one.
Okay,
There
the
is
thing is when I trade real account, my heart is pumping out. Myself start to trading as well as it can, and sometimes I got panic and lose my money.
yes.
I know the direction that it will go down. I know
Hmm.
the perfect that it will go down, and I take the wrong decision, and I start and I invest to reverse.
Yes. That's normal. That's why we better step by step. That's why I always say that when you are in level one or two, mastering one or two SS only. Mastering that one. When you master with this one or two SS, trade with demo only. Demo, and then win. Look at this. Now you know zombie land, zombie zone. It's already breaking this zombie area. Start going up, and then red candle appears, and then start to change your practice account or demo account to become your real account, and then waiting the signal here. So why are you disciplined when you trade with signal? You always waiting. Okay, I got an SMS. Okay, oh, wait, it's time to trade. Just do like that. Do like you trade with the signal from someone, but now you become what's that? The member and also the operator, the developer. So you can use that one. At least you only wait for SS1. Okay, it's SS1. It's highly potential to going up again. Just and then change to your real account and then trade only with this one. When you win, back to demo account. But please don't trade it $1, $1, $1. It's tiring. It's really, really tiring. It will, this dollar will control your emotion. You better start with GMM. Hello, Gilbert. Yes, welcome. Um, it's quite,
Yeah, I tried GMM.
yes, that's great.
I reached day 7 and I got afraid and I simply stopped.
Yes, good. I like that. I like that. When you're afraid, when you doubt, stop, and then back to demo.
I didn't now doubt me, I doubted the market that it will respond the way I expected. So
Yes,
I stopped.
yes, that's good. Remember, this is investment, not gambling. It's not a game.
Yes, of course.
Mhm. So we only the most profitable candle to trade rather than we one dollar. It will control your emotion. Okay, one win, one loss. One win, one win, one loss. One win, one loss, one loss, one loss, one loss. Gone. And zero. Back to zero. Huh? It's simple. Really, really simple. When you make it complicated, then you will get the complicated result also. Come on. Don't, it's just for entertainment. For when you trade this candle. You trade all these candles. Come on. This is only good for your entertainment. No, no. How I trade? I keep my chart open and then I play with my child and so is he only the no wait Bilal.
Huh?
And then when I see the zombie land, when they already cross the zombie land, and then okay, it's time to sit in front of my computer. Wait, and then where are they going? And then up down, and then yes, I can trade with that one. And then when they already jump into zombie zone, then I
Can
stop.
I call sideways also a zombie?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Because zombie is like a sideways.
Not really. Sometimes time to start when oh you mean when it's sideways, then you
In
say
that
that it's
side.
zombie land. Yes,
Okay, zombie land.
yes. This is zombie zone, not zombie land.
Sorry,
It's
zombie zone.
easy. It's easy. Zombie zone. It's easy. Um, I got this zombie zone because I tried to see how they trade from the master. Master got the problem in here. Sorry, the barometer of the members is the master. They always keep monitor the members also, and then they trade also. When they lost, they publish their chart and their analysis in the WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group, and then I tried. Oh my God, they already know that this is not good candle. Why they trade on that candle? So I tried to create this zombie zone just to make them remember. Look like a zombie. Everyone afraid with zombie. Then yeah, I hope they will always remember the zombie zone.
Zombie zone. Okay, one thing, when uh, I'm still stuck at the trendy market, I just want to know when trendy market comes, you trade or not
When
on
the
trendy market?
you asking me?
When yes, yes, when trendy market does come, you trade on trendy market or not?
Um
If you trade,
um
how do you trade?
okay.
And if you not, why you don't?
Actually, um it's easy to answer. Sorry, it's hard to answer. Okay, for you, I highly recommend 1+1. Big boy is
One
going
plus one,
up.
big
Yes,
boy.
big boy going up.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
you follow this one. Just follow this one. But when you know, as Ashraf said here, in zombie land, in zombie zone, you can also trade actually in here. We have
SS2 over here.
no. We have
49.
No, no, we have SS2 here. If you see, uh,
I know,
at
I
the
know,
last.
but it's dangerous. In here, it's dangerous because you know
Yeah,
the
NP.
you know the reason, right? There is a downtrend here. It crossed already
Okay.
means these sellers waking up the buyer here. Look at
Okay.
this response. It's, buyers back, and then seller, and then buyer and seller, big buyer and big seller fighting each other. So we better avoid that area.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Look left, where you wrote, where you drew the first zombie zone. There
Mhm.
is an SNR, that's a big red candle.
Yes, this one.
Yeah,
Ah,
exactly.
also when you use look at this. Let me clear it up. Oops, sorry. This is the most common. This is zombie land, a zombie zone. Please remember, they will always create zombie zone also in the other area. Maybe in here, maybe in here, maybe in here. That's the most common. Be very aware. Avoid with the
Yeah,
this zombie zone is stuck handle. Most of
exactly.
oh, you look like an expert, Marian.
No, no, no. Let me tell you what I understood.
Okay.
I think that we should practically we should only wait for the actual trending market and
Yes.
somewhat avoid the I don't know zombie zone or stack candles and
Yes.
the actual thing with the SS formations and later on MV and later on emotion control, not necessarily, but later on MP9 and so on,
Yes.
is like zooming in on the market. The first lesson on SS1 is look at the big boy. Okay, SS2, SS3, look at the big boy. Furthermore, at MV, look a little closer. At MP9, look a little closer and you just zoom in on the market, something like that, and
Yes.
trade on, I don't know, more candles. So this is a training for MV and later on for MP and so on. Is it true?
Yes.
So we
That's
have to
great.
see the reaction. the reaction of the candle from the SNR and with the SNR and where it's going to stack and what it's going to do. And later on, we'll know practically what it will do.
Yes, exactly.
Good.
That's what I meant.
So I understood it right. So it's a great plan. I haven't seen this anyway.
Thank you.
You're very smart, and thank you for having us.
Well, thank you also you being with us. Okay. There are some questions here from. So it's easy to only trade with SS1 or 3 by GMM. This is from Muhammad Bilal. So is it easy to only trade on SS1, 2, and 3 by GMM? Okay. GMM is money management. SS is a common reaction of the candle. There are many SS in the level 1, 2, 3. You can choose one or two the best SS that you clearly understand. If you understand SS1 very well and you think that this SS1 is most profitable SS, then you use it. When you see the SS1 formation appears, then hurry up to change your practice account to become your real account. And then trade with that SS1, and then when you win, change again to demo account. Then continue practicing the other SS. Only that one. Don't trade with the SNR. Remember, we have a big difference between us and SNR trader because we have MV. Now, later you will know it. I got this. I got this. From other group. They said that we have to create line of this kind of candle, so we can trade in here to call. He said that it will jump up. No, I have so many examples here. Yes, this is good. When it touch here and then up, but look at this. Look at this. When it's cross, oh well, it's lucky. It's lucky. But how about this one? When you know MV, Ashraf, are you there?
Yes.
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 Ah,
Yes. Yes.
is this good for MV?
That zombie area.
Yeah, you just know it about zombie zone, but this is MV. When you know it's MV, that it will reverse for this one candle. It will going up, not going
Just
down.
L.
All. Don't open it. Let the devil know it. Anyway, back again to question of Bilal.
When you mention MV, I don't understand a single thing over here.
Well,
I just like
that's
scratching my head and okay.
that's good, but please don't think about that. You will be there very soon. It's okay, step by step.
No, all I have to just do is answer the question.
Uh, okay, let me finish with the question from Bilal, please. Okay. And then back to demo account, then mastering the other SS, maybe SS2. Okay, SS2. When you already sure that the SS2 is most profitable candle for you, and you know the TNC, term and condition, then you trade with the demo several times, and you got a profit from demo, and then you can add to your favorite style. Oops. First maybe SS1, and then second is SS2, and then maybe the third one is SS3. Even though you are at level 3, you keep trading with your real account only with your SS that's most profitable for you. Okay, until you master. That's why always say, please mastering the SS first. I got many members join here that within 2 or 3 days, shall I get the level 2? Oh my God. he will he will give the money to IQ option. I'm sure with that. Please step by step. Highly appreciate to Marian. It's been a long time in this group, but he's enjoy in level 2. But he focus.
Yeah, really,
Sir,
I,
give
uh, I
example.
learned about. Excuse me, say, say. Who was talking, Sanjay?
Yes.
Please
Sir,
do, Sanjay.
give a example of SS2 trader.
Hello.
I forgot the name.
Sorry, one by one. Sanjay first.
Uh, Sir, give a example of SS2 trader. You say me that name. He earn from only SS2.
1 and 2. SS 1 and 2.
Ah,
Gancang. Gancang. Let me write it. Gancang someone. I don't remember all members. Gancang. That's like this.
ah,
And you can find the keyword in your Facebook.
okay.
Okay. Well,
Ask
Marian.
you.
Yes.
Ah,
Me?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, I have a question. Uh, can we use this zombie area for looking for SS4 if there's a spike?
Very good question. SS4.
We don't have a spike there.
Well, do you still remember what is SS4? SS4. I try to remember SS4. We,
SS4 is when we have something like ranging or a stacked candle, and there is a spike,
oh yeah,
either
yeah,
up
yeah,
or
yeah,
down.
yeah, 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 yeah. I know. I remember that one. Yes,
Okay,
we can trigger that one.
I understand. Good, good, good.
Like this, right?
Yes, something like that. If it went
Yes.
up, for example, after that
Yes.
it would have. Well, of course, looking for the left, looking to the left for another SNR.
Yes. But always remember that when it's only a tiny candle crossing this what is this spike?
Yes,
Please
there's a
avoid it.
spike head, tail, or
Yes.
whatever. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. If it big enough, but it's not too big. Remember this one also. If it
yes, 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 not too big.
too short, um, then we better not trade for this SS4. It's dangerous because sometimes they only create the tail here and then become red, something like that.
And I've for the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks since I talked to you, I started just watching the market. I traded something, but I started watching the market. I've seen that during trending, for example, there are, like now on Euro USD, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 red candles. And in the middle, there
Yes,
is a red doji. You see it right in the middle.
yes,
I've noticed that as well. It doesn't have to be green. It's rather important SNR.
yes,
A little up. Yes, right
yes,
there in the middle.
yes. You're great. Very good analysis. Hmm, I like that. Look at this. It must be green.
Yes, but
Why?
the sellers are strong enough.
Yes, you know. There is a, well, it's not straight here. This is the response to this lonely candle.
Yes.
It must be green, but the power to go down is strong enough. So it's up to you. If you want to trade with all this candle, like in what was that?
Mhm.
OTC. I used to have 25 candles with $100 each. Just closing my eyes, waiting the 32 call. Watching 32 call. Up to you. Call, and then until I lost one.
Hmm. Hmm. I didn't trade those. I meant I only observed them. I saw that when there's a dodge in the middle of the trend, usually when it comes back up,
Yes.
it will store there for a while, either a stack candle, something.
Yes. Exactly.
And I've noticed another thing. It's
Mm.
safer to trade with the SS after you wait for an SNR to form.
Mm-hmm.
It's more rare, for example, not the previous SS1 that you drew, the one with the red candle with a spike and two hammer like. Do you see it?
Um,
Further
so
to the left.
far to the left,
Big, before
this
big
one.
green candle.
The SS1 that we talked about
Where's it?
before that
Yeah.
big green candle.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Uh,
On
yes, that one.
time.
I prefer that. I consider okay. The SNR is formed, and I wait to the candle to begin to go either up, then come down, and wait 1, 2 candles, and then trade for the SS because the SNR is already formed. Because if
Yes.
I look further to the left, I might get confused because the SNR to the left might be very far. Is it correct, or should I analyze better?
Yes. That's good. Um, how long you will become a master? I need someone that can explain it very clearly like this.
Oh, okay.
So you can lead the webinar. It's
Yes, no problem.
okay. Good.
Yeah, I'm currently at work, and so until now only one person disturbed me, and I put it on mute. I dealt with him, and I came back. So I can do that, especially in the evening. It's 8 o'clock in the evening right now, and everyone else has left.
Okay,
So
that's great. Thank you, Marian. Very good observation.
I'm glad that I can help, and I don't know,
Sure.
help.
You know, my name is Untung Bersama, means profit together. So, in order to profit together, we have to learn
Hello.
together. Hello, who's that?
Yusuf, Master Yusuf.
Ah,
I
oh
know his
my God.
voice. I studied SSYA like a charm.
Welcome to the real world, brother. It's been a long time never
Yeah.
see you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, do you want to take this presentation, or do you want to say something? It's up to you.
You should.
You should.
Sir, Yusuf sir want to say something before.
No. Please, please. Only listen.
It's okay, no problem. Let's continue to the question in the zombie
Yes,
zone.
I have question.
No, wait, please. Isabella, don't you think, sir, that the MV here, safer we need to understand first before trying the SS? No. The answer is, Marin already explained about the theory about,
Yes. May I
uh,
answer him?
yes, please. Bilal,
Okay,
Marin
so
will help me to
Bilal,
answer you.
Bilal, from my opinion, uh, the SS formations from SS1 to SS9 and so on are helping us to zoom in on the market. So if we knew MP9 and so on first, we would have to zoom out, and it would be very difficult. So it would be lots of information. Instead of learning from the big boy, zooming out, you see the big picture, then slowly digging in, more bigger, 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 until you see the actual picture that we have to see, and trade almost every candle, or predict almost every candle. So we learn, hey, wait, let's wait for SS1. We saw an SS1. So at, I don't know, I'm level 2 only. So at NV probably, we will predict before SS1 happens, or before SS3 happens, and so on. You understand? So we have to know SS1 to get a signal. So we trade for the next candle. But further on, when we reach higher levels, we will trade before the actual signal. So we will predict the signal itself. Do you understand?
He
Okay,
said
okay.
yes. Okay. Thank
I
you,
thought
Mariam.
so.
Thank you, Mariam.
You're welcome.
Yes, like an SS1, we yeah, this is the steps. SS1, oh, it's too many candles here. Oh, I will change. SS1, we trade for this candle. Oh no. Clear, 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 clear. Okay. SS1, we trade for this candle. But with MV, we can trade with this candle. We can trade for this candle. But with CR7, we also create a trade for this candle also, and this candle with MP9, something like that. So step by step. Rather than we know all these things first, then you will get more and more and confused. Um, at level one, mastering first, and then when you mastering, and then come to level two, and then and so on and so on. But sometimes this is the most common in master. When you at level 5, you forgot about this level because you are not enough in mastering the SS. Okay, step by step. It's okay. Um, no need to rush to learn. We learn together here. As I mentioned before, that my name is Untung Bersama. Untung Bersama means profit together. In order to get the profit together, we have to learn together also. We have to share each other. Right. The question from can we trade when there is a lot of news like today? I was confused. News. There are many questions about news because many traders from Forex also because they always think about news. This is the logic about um, news. Wait, there is a normal candle like this up, and then let's say this is the news. This is the time for news. Remember, the news only appears it's about 10 minutes. No problem. When we show there are two big candle like this, you better avoid. Just wait another 10 minutes until this candle become normal. That's number one. But um, don't think so too hard about news. We, I think, who's asking me? Franz Gilbert. I already explained about the zombie zone. I believe the news area will be in the zombie zone, so we can avoid that zone because it's suddenly something like this. It's suddenly, if it's going down, suddenly breaking the line that we created before. Okay, friends, you can watch the video later because I already explained a lot about the zombie zone to understand better about the zombie zone. Okay, Asif, what's your question, please?
Yes. How to win a tournament within 1 hour?
Pray.
Simple. First, discipline. Hmm. Number two, SS or strategy. Number three, that's the most important one. It's simple. Um, when you want, remember, you have to see how many, look at this. So, there are many kind of, what is that?
How much for a good capital? So how much money means a good capital?
Yeah, I know. Sorry. The tournament, there are many tournaments. It's 1 to 30 sometimes, and 1 to 15 that only get the prize. You have to see the price. If the price is 1,000, you have to see also the existing members winner here. How much their tournament money? Let's say from 100, and this money is only 700. It means it 7 or 8. Yes, 7 times. 7 times to your balance, first balance, but the price is 1,000. To apply this tournament is only $10. So at least you have prepare 30% of this price. 300. It's a gambling, Okay, and you always start with all in, all in, all in, all in, all in, all in to reach this level. Or when this tournament is started at the first time, try to all in, and then when you lost all, and then rebuy the money, and then until you are at level 1. When you already at level 1, stop trading, waiting the others for number 2. If it close enough, don't all in. Try the different. If it is your money, let's say maybe 4,000, 4K, your opponent here maybe 2K, you can start maybe 500 for trading. 500, 500, 500. Make sure that when you lost for the first or second trade, this number 2 not become number 1. As simple as that. But you have very good capital here to rebuy, 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 rebuy. You have a point, Asraf? How much
What I
for good?
call a good capital.
Yeah, good capital, yes. Good capital is depend on your price here. Well, the price is 1,000, your target. So at least you have 30%, you have 300. Then it still means when you spend your 300 and you get 1,000, it's good enough.
It's 70% return.
Yes, 70% return. But when you are good enough with your strategy, and then maybe not 30%, maybe 5% from the the price. That's good. Remember, you have to reach the number one and then come down. Remember, the second level here, don't think that they will pass your amount here, because they also have the same problem with us. Sometimes it's going up, but sometimes it's become 15. Just keep this 4K. If you already have your 4K here, then just come down. Stay away from that tournament. Just keep watching to this number two. The difference between number two and your point is number one.
Turuntung, I have a question. May I?
Yes, please.
Okay, I have the Euro USD chart in front of me. So after that long downtrend that I told you earlier, a zombie zone formed. And do you see it?
Sorry, can you? What is the last word? Oh,
The zombie zone was formed.
Oh, here, yes.
Do you?
This is the zombie zone.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The zombie zone is. It was broke by that by that long something like that.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
Okay, it re-entered the zombie zone, so it was broke by the long-headed green candle, the spike down.
This one, yeah, spike down here.
And it re-entered the zombie zone. Can we trade it or not from now on? Or we have to wait, because the candle formation with the green ones is pretty good, for example.
Oh, wait.
Or not.
I would prefer you avoid this area. Look at this. We draw with this one, this line here to here. Oh, I think we better use it's slowing down to show you the picture. I wish it's better now. Look at this. It's already crossed that one. And then it's hugging the line. It's hugging the line. If you have no other information how to trade this hugging line, you better not trading with this one. Okay, and then it started to going up, but it's in the area. We better wait. I would prefer to wait. Sometimes our emotion, oh, it's good. Why, it's working, and it's SS1. Look at this.
No, it's not.
well.
And actually, where you mentioned the hugging line, there was a SS1, but it doesn't appear.
Yeah, it look like a SS1, but it's become red.
No, not this one. We're the hugging line.
The hugging line. This one. You mean it?
Yes. Just go to upside. No. Just upper one.
Upper one. This one. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
this one.
this one. Ah, good. Very good. Very good observation. But when we know the zombie area, we have to be aware with that. But in simple answer, it's going down. So we better trade for put, not for call. But this one is call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's also in the actual stack candle of the to the left a little bit, like 10 centimeters, with a big sort of big green candle, red candle, and another green doji. So it's
This
in
one.
the wrong area.
This one. You mean this one? Oh, this one. Yeah. I got it. Where is that? This one, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's in that area. So it's not good to trade. The SNR is too close. It's not a good reaction.
Yes. Wow. Amazing. You know it already. It's too close to the area of this one. Good. Very good. Okay, I wish you got my point. Come on. Trading is very interesting, but please control
Yeah,
your emotion.
I was laughing today.
Why?
Uh, I traded like, I don't know, let me see, for 5 trades on demo,
Uh-huh.
and hey, let me try one on real, only one.
Uh-huh.
No big, the $1 trade that knocks us all out. Okay, let me try it. And it failed. And I started laughing. I said, come on. Oh, it went well. Now I stayed there and watched it and come on. It has to go down. My analysis is good. Come on, go down. Not really, seriously. I started laughing. I'm such an idiot. Come on. And I switched back to demo and it was okay. A couple of more trades and they were winning. So, okay. So we have to have patience and not look at the green stuff that is the real account.
Okay. But you know the reason why you lost.
Yes, bad analysis.
Mm.
I looked at, I don't know what angels I saw,
Okay.
and I didn't know about the zombie zone.
Now you know it.
Yes.
Okay. Any other question?
Yes, me as well. Me again.
Oh, you again. Okay, no problem.
A few weeks ago, I had a click. It was like, hey, I've got it, and I wrote you on a private message.
Okay.
So the basic idea of trading with SS is not avoiding necessarily the three types of SNR, but using them. So if you see a kind of SNR, be it bouncing line or whatever, you
Mm-hmm.
use it. See
Mm-hmm.
how the actual candle reacts from it, and if it is according to the big boy and the small trend, and pretty far away according to the previous
Scenario.
candle size.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, no, according to the previous candle size. So if there are rather small candles and the space is big, you can take it if there is enough distance from the SNR. If
Yes.
the candles are quite big and
Mm-hmm.
the space is small, it would bounce off. That's what I observed.
Yes.
Is
Yes,
it
you're right.
correct? So you have
Yes.
to use the SNR, not necessarily avoid it. Avoid it when the candle is meeting it, but see its reaction from the three types of SNR, and then trade from its
Yeah.
reaction.
Yeah.
Correct?
It's yes, correct. It's kind of that's the different how to talk to a child, to elementary school, and to adult. When you talk to a child, when you give them so many explanations, they will get many confused, and then they will jump to the wrong way.
Uh,
That's why I said, please avoid the three kind of candles. But when you talk to adult, so you can explain them, okay, when you see like this, uh, as long as there is space, something like that, that's the difference. That's why I said in a level one, you better avoid it because uh, you don't know the reason before. But when you know the reason before, you can trade it also. You don't need to avoid it.
uh,
You get my
and
point,
I have
right?
another question, if I may. Yes,
Yes,
yes, of
please.
course. So earlier today, I saw, I don't know which pair, they started going up. There was absolutely no reference to the left from, I don't think, from the last week or something. So
Yes,
this week it started going up, and there was no reference to the left.
yes.
And there were, for example, 1, 2, 3 green candles, and then a red candle, and then an SS3 signal, I think. Should I take it, or how should I react to it?
No, no.
So just wait for
The
for a type of
reverse.
SNR to form.
You better wait for the reverse, like this. It's going up, but there is no reference here for 1 month, maybe.
Yes.
You better wait.
Yeah.
Wait until they reverse here. So you have a
I
reference
understand.
here. Many reference here, so you can see here.
I understand. Okay. So
But so
and
sorry, sorry.
and for
Let
the
let me finish this one. But this
Good,
is
good.
it's going down. It's quite risky because it's powerful to going up, and we better wait until it's going up again. So you have one reference. There is another reference also.
Okay. And when the chart is not crowded, but it goes like for 15 minutes up, then a red candle, then up, then a red candle, then up, and then retraces like four red candles, then it goes up again like a trend. We have to look for three types of SNR for the level which the price is right now. I mean, for example, the closest SNR going up is, I don't know, a red candle, right? But until that red candle, a little bit down, further to the left, like 10 minutes ago, it's another red candle or a doji or something. Should
Yes.
I be aware of that SNR too? All that is on the line of the price?
Um, Very long
Or just,
question. I didn't get your question, but I try to look at this. It's going up, and you have here also reference. Don't go too far to this left here. Just look at the when it's going up. Okay, for if you see to the left too far, you will draw so many lines, so many
uh-huh.
SNR. So you have no opportunity to trade because everything in here is SNR. But at least you try to read the formation of the candle, the reaction. Look at this. It's healthy candle. When it's healthy candle means buyer is healthy also. So
Yes.
go with the buyer. When there is a red candle appears and then green candle appears, it's as long as there is space, just go ahead. I
Okay,
mean,
so keep it simple.
yes, just keep it simple. If it too complicated, if you see so many SNR, you will never trade. Just look at
Right.
the formation before, the story of the candle.
Yes, yes, I understand now. So I don't have to look like half an hour ago to see the
No, no, no,
previous
no, no,
SNR.
no, no, no.
Only if there's no reference from only from half an hour ago,
Yes,
obviously. But
yes. If
good,
if
I
if
understand now.
if there is no reference at all, so you have to find the left, but there is no reference also, then don't trade on that candle
I
because we don't know.
understand.
It's a blank area. We don't know
Uh,
unless you know another level.
I will. I promise you, I will know
Yes,
another level.
sure. I'm waiting for that.
I just stick with level two for a couple more, I don't know, a week or something.
It's okay. It's up to you. It's everyone here have their own style, but the most important one is you have to find your best style to trade with the real account.
Yeah,
Don't be a master in a demo account, but you have to trade like a demo account, which is the focus of our brain is to the chart, not to this
I have
balance.
the perfect solution.
What's that?
I have the perfect solution for
What's
that.
that? Please.
It's kind of a joke, but listen carefully. So, everyone thinks when we see yellow that we have the demo account, right?
Yes.
The real account is green.
Yes.
So we have to put on the screen something that turns that green to yellow. So we will think, it's a demo account. Let's go.
But that's the dangerous also. But when you think that's a demo account, then you simply click until you lost all your money. Then.
There must be discipline
Oh
also.
yes, yes, yes. Sure, sure with that. But I don't know how to
I
change the
know.
color.
I'm an idiot. I will find a way.
I say to Sanjay that use uh what was that? Duct tape.
Hello.
Use the duct tape. Put it on the balance, so you cannot see is that the real account or dim account.
That could help, and use only the GMM. And when you lose, stop.
Yes,
You
when you stop.
recalculate and so on.
Yes, GMM also will increase your threshold to trade. Now, when you trade is $1, $1, $1, $1. When you trade with $5, you get heart attack.
I got it. I know.
But when you trade with the GMM, let's say from 2 and then become 5 and then become 20 and then become 100, step by step your threshold will increase.
Yes, and we will be more calm with dealing with
Yes.
such big amounts.
I got it.
That's why, Sanjay, I always say use GMM rather than always. Come on, the profit also is, oh, interesting, right? When you win.
Yes.
hmm But when you lost, you only lost your half of your profit, so no problem.
Hmm.
And when you lost, you have to start from the beginning. Let's say you start with 10, and then it's become 20, or let's say 30. This is after you lost first loss. Then you think that this 30 is your deposit, your first deposit. It's up to you. You can use a 50% or 30% or 10%. You can start with $3 and then continue again. And it's become 70 maybe, and you lost. It is the last balance, and then you have to start from the beginning. Think that this 70 is your first deposit.
I will now remember my first webinar. I don't know when it was, in August, on the beginning of August. I
Okay.
was so silent, I didn't say anything, and now I feel like I'm the only one talking. Please, people, talk to Master Untung.
Now you can talk. Well, it's good. Very good improvement. All right, Sam. It's 1 hour or 2 hours. It's almost 2 hours.
Yes, 1 hour and a half.
1.5 hour. Okay. I think it's enough for now. Sorry, I have no preparation for this webinar. I just sent to some members that's online, not even put the information in the group. But well, it's okay. It's recorded, so well I will put it in the level 2 because yeah, I think it's the minimum is level 2. It's okay. So everyone can enjoy the video.
Okay, thank you, Master.
Thank you, everyone. Have a
Thank you.
nice trading. I hope you can get more and more profit. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.